Welcome everyone. I'm here to discuss something quickly, and we're gonna have a reading about what we're gonna discuss. Now, the ninth house. We just got this card on our last reading. We know that when we have our awakening, we start seeing signs, we start seeing synchronicities, we start seeing 1111. We get our messages which help us, get us in the right direction, understand what's happening. But when we got this card, I felt very connected to it and the messages that come with this card. It's all about the written word, philosophy, but spiritual knowledge and wisdom and how we apply it there, even with lawyers, and how, we would use that to go and, find what's just, what's right in the world. But it's number 33, it's a master number, and it's about faith. So what it really is about, it's kind of mixing left brain thinking with our right brain skills, and what that actually, the principles that has to offer here in our world. Now, this card, it stuck out to me, and there's a message from the moon. The moon is revealing something. The moon is like, I feel like it's giving us our ticket. Like our pass to something, like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. And they're waiting for that golden ticket. Well, that's what the moon is giving us, but it's to our fate. It's like it's giving us our golden ticket to our fate, to a whole new rebirth, a whole new place. We want to go there. We want to go to this place, and the moon is just going to give us our golden ticket, and that's what I feel like. Now, synchronicity signs. I had some problems with my Wi-Fi services, and one of the gentlemen that came to fix it, he just was like, "Hey, I see you read tarot cards," because my cards were all over the place. "Would you like me to read your palm of your hand?" And I was like, wow. And he's like, "Well, your marriage line is very short, but your destiny, your line of destiny, it's very thick and it's very long and it's very important right now." Well, I was floored. He doesn't know what I'm doing. He was talking to me all about my destiny. And then I was called to look at the bottom of the deck, and this card was there, the Grand Trine and Blessings. Now we're going to have a reading on Monday, and we're going to discuss these cards further and some other cards that I'm going to have present we're going to discuss. But something is happening. Our faith is going to give us our golden ticket for our blessings. We're going to be gifted our blessings. And it's that golden ticket. Now, let's just see what's happening. We're going to have a quick reading. And then I'm going to see you guys on Monday to discuss this further. And please, check out that Black Moon 1111 reading if you haven't yet. It's incredible, as well as what we found out there. It had a specific message about twin flames. A specific message about twin flames in it, and how the love is like holding on to a dream cloud. And then there was a reading all about that, the dream cloud, the cup, and the moon. So those have incredible messages in them. Now we have the Queen of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Two of Wands. With the Four of Wands. And this is what we're doing here. We're in pain. We're in pain right now. This is painful. Transitioning, having a rebirth, entering something new, walking over the bridge. It's uncomfortable, and we're also being shown our lower vibrational emotions. That's the time we're in. But it's to transform, it's to manifest, it's to continue to do ego work. Right now, we're going to continue to do ego work because we're transforming here. We're transforming into the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands. We're transforming to the Queen of Wands. And we're creating stability of the light. And wow, this is connected to the readings. Because this is the card that was in the Once in a Black Moon 11/11 reading. The Black Moon 11/11 reading. Both of these cards were, and this is where you know what we're doing. We're having an ending here to create stability of the light. And this is where we're going. It's time to put down our weapons of destruction. And especially, even if you're hurting yourself, we need to heal. We need to go from the Five of Swords to that Queen of Wands. Ooh, I knew that Cups energy was going to be here. That Princess of Cups. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to grab onto our cup. We're going to transform. We're going to take on the dolphin energy. The dolphin can be there for another species. It does not compromise itself. The dolphin is healing. The dolphin has wisdom. We know how big a dolphin's brain is. But we also know they have hearts. We're going to blossom through the darkness. We're going to blossom through the fog. This is about seeing through our illusions right now. See through your illusions and let go. And that swan is about integrating the light right now. Getting that yin and yang in flow. Okay. Wish fulfillment, the Nine of Cups here. And that's what we're doing. We know that we're going to manifest and we're going to burn away our lower vibrational ego habits that are keeping us from transforming here, because we need to put the light within our cup. And those devil energies, they keep dumping out our cup. We just keep dumping out our cup. We're not dumping out our cup here. The light's shining full and free, baby. And what's happening? We're having a new beginning. Thanks to the moon. This is our rebirth right here. This is a chance for a whole new beginning. This is to set you off course onto... It's giving you this golden ticket right here to your blessings. We're going to transform. This beetle is sacred and it's connected to ancient wisdom. And it's holding the sun. The energy of the sun. And it's going to transform now. It's going to, because the moon is calling it to sing its song and be its authentic vibration. But this is the thing, you guys. The moon reflects the light of the sun. So when the moon is calling us, the sun is also calling us too. When we're being led by the moon, we're also being led by the sun. Here's the High Priestess. We're going to take our shot. We know this is about hitting our mark right now. This is about Sagittarius and I see. And that's one of the cards that will be in the reading on Monday that I'm called to have. We're going to dive deeper into this. We're going to transform and heal, and it's about sacral chakra healing right now. And putting that light in the cup to continue to find balance. We're talking about dumping out our cup, and he's dumping out our cup, but I never even noticed that before. We're going to clarify, why is he dumping out his cup? And it's like, I'm getting a message from the masculine right now, and I don't even know how to describe it. It's like, he's looking right at me, and he's dumping out his cup, and I want to know why. And it has something to do with our blessings. It has something to do with spirit and the transformation. And it's like, I can feel like that tiger is trying to say, give him a message, and I want to see what it is. What is the message of the cup being dumped out in the Fool card right now? What is the message? So after everything we've discussed, this is definitely a direct message. We don't want to be dumping out our cup right now. But if we do, we forgive ourselves. That's okay. We always have access to the light, and we just turn it back up and we start filling it back up. But if we empty it out, and you know, you're depleted, you're tired, you know why you have no energy. And you know, that's how we start acting more vibrational, we start projecting. Okay, here it is. Is this right side up? Yeah. It's about going within now. The light needs to be integrated within to transform from the devil energy. That's what this is about. This is about the devil energies. You need to go within to transform. And it's about the cup. Putting the light within the cup. And that allows us our gain with the 9 of discs. The light within the cup is what activates. So we need to go within. This is the direct message, and stop pouring out our cup with the devil energies, because the devil energies is what depletes our energy. And that's what's happening here. Let's just see what's being activated. And there it is. And the Hermit is all about divine illumination, illuminating our path. And that's what's happening here. We know that these energies are putting us in the universal flow to help in the creation of our 10 of Cups, the filling of our cups. And we know that's what we're doing here thanks to the moon. It's about the 10th cup now. And it's about the 10th cup here. That's what the message is of the masculine. The masculine is going to go within, is being led away from the devil energies thanks to the Hermit. And is going to fill up the cup now. That's the message. As the feminine transforms. Confirmation right there from the birds. Thank you. As we create our 10 of Cups. And it's all thanks to the moon and the sun, the truth, the stability of the light. And it's thanks to the High Priestess and going within the dark. And we know when we go within the dark, something is being illuminated. And what's being illuminated is the stability of the light, the creation of something that's a whole new space, our 10 of Cups. And what are we doing? We've got our golden ticket there. We're being gifted. We're being gifted. And we're being put on our direct path in the right direction to our blessings to be gifted. But we must stay on target right now. And how do we do that? We don't dump out our cup with the devil energies here. We fill our cup with the light. 10 of Cups. How much better can it get than the 10 of Cups? Like the endless flow of Niagara Falls. The emotional waters of your being flow unrestrained and free. Nothing is held back. Nothing is hidden. All is optimism, joy, and freedom to be and feel. Celebrating the wonder of the human experience. the vastness of our extraordinary capacity to feel emotion. It's in all of its diversity. Congratulations, your life is filled with wonder and you get it. You feel the joy, the prosperity, and the contentment of all that is right about the world. You are aware of all you've created and how the world is unfolding through your manifestation. And there it is. The world is unfolding through our manifestations. I want to thank you guys for joining me here. This reading has been a gift, and that's what we're moving away from. There it is, the shadows. This is the same card. I was called to look at the bottom of the deck for a reason. This card, there's divine masculine, divine feminine. They're standing there. They're in the shadows. They're looking at the Sphinx. This is connected to our ancients. Now it's dark, it's night, but the Sphinx is there. There's the light of Buddha here. And it's here to show that yes, we experience misery. We experience suffering. But the light of Buddha is here to show us the kindness, the compassion, the actual love and the connection between us here in the world. Yes, there's suffering, but there's also light. There's also good. There's also a chance for balance. It's within us. A chance for healing. A chance for us to do better. And that's what the message is. This is all within us. We just have to activate it and let the light flow. I want to thank you guys for joining me here. I'll see you again very soon. Take care.